Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Greetings to all the friends of American Autosales, your 5-star dealership. As always, located on 900 Palm Avenue, Hialeah, Florida, zip code 33010. Passing by to say hello and to show you this beautiful sedan, 2021 Infiniti Q50, 3.0 liters, twin turbo V6, clean title vehicle, excellent conditions, leather interior, navigation system, sunroof, easy to finance. We are located on 900 Palm Avenue, Hialeah, Florida, zip code 33010. 2021 Infiniti Q50. Let me show you the trunk space. As you can see, spacious trunk, beautiful black color, black inside and outside, leather interior, sunroof, as you can see, black leather. Two screens, driving modes, beautiful sunroof, very clean inside and outside, aluminum rims, tires, push start, proximity sensors, as you can see, electric seats, beautiful leather interior, sunroof, push start, double screen, back camera, 360 camera, parking sensors, driving modes. Now let me show you the engine. 3.0 liters twin turbo. As you can see, in excellent conditions. Beautiful engine, V6 twin turbo. So if you're looking for a luxury vehicle, we have this 2021 Infiniti Q50 V6 twin turbo, leather interior, navigation system, proximity sensors, 360 camera. For more information, you can always call 786-499-4720. Blessings.